It is time for another property tour by your host, Alex Maloney. Look at that elevation, guys. That is crazy wild. We're about to go into this breezeway here. This is where the third car bank garage usually is, but they have it as an office, obviously. 2-car garage will go over there, where those offices are. And if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel so people can be notified by the crazy awesome Texas real estate market. And we are in. We are so in. And look at this staircase. Spiraling staircase. See-through glass wine cellar with the foyer. And here we have a stand-up shower, full bath for your in-law, or it can be a child's room, of course. And we'll make our way over here. I just want to get a close-up of this. That is awesome. I love that. I'm a big wine cellar guy. Adds a lot of character to the home. And these floating hexagon lighting fixtures. That is crazy. I've never seen that in a model before. That is so unique. Holy cow. Floor to ceiling fireplace, everybody's favorite too. Open concept kitchen. Quartz countertops. Look at that view. Holy cow. Stacked double windows. Gas stove. Glass cabinets. And you got your pantry there. Good sized pantry. For all you food goers out there. And this is nice too. Now that's where you bring your family gathering right there. Love that. Little study desk. Some more cabinet space. And let's take a stroll upstairs. Now this is a good built house by Grand Homes. I love this floor plan. And you have your double lighting fixtures with the pool table. Obviously, it can be anything you want. They just have that for staging purposes. And let's take a look in here. Looks like we have a full bath. Full bath here. Shower and bath combo with a bedroom. And we'll go in here, and the office is up here, believe it or not. Usually it's downstairs, but the developer thought that added more character to the house, so that's good. It's good to mix things up sometimes. And we got another bedroom right here with a full bath. They always add the best fixtures in these types of houses. And we have a little catwalk area. And this is good, guys. This is a very spacious floor plan. I love how they did this. So many windows, so many natural lighting. And look at that. That does not come with the house. Nice little knack though.
Music licensing.
And yeah, you got views from all over the place up here. Love that. And we got our media room. And a little bar area for entertaining. This is nice. This is a place where you relax with the family. Enjoy some good old family time. And we got a half bath right here.
Artlist.io.
Very nice. And we'll stroll on and go back downstairs. So that's the upstairs. And again, guys, these builders are giving great incentives right now too. So if you're looking for a deal, now's the time to do it before the spring hits. And if you need more info on their building incentives, let me know. You can also drop it in the comments, and I will be sure to answer you guys. There's another view. And let's go out back. Whoops, it's stuck, sorry. And we got covered porch area right here, which is good. This property backs the pond greenbelt area, which is really nice. There's some open lots that are out also backing this area, so you can go ahead and build. And that is it, guys. Thank you for tuning in to today's property tour with your host, Alex Maloney. And we will catch you on the next one. God bless America.